What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with another quick matchup for you. So basically what we're doing here is we're showing you what a certain size tire looks like on a certain size wheel. So today what we have is the Fury Country Hunter MT, sorry about that. This is a 40 by 15.5 R26 on a 26 by 14. This is ARKON Crown Series Victory. If you're wondering what that is. So basically we're gonna take a look at it and see how these two kind of pair up and what the actual measurements are. So when I'm talking about sizes like that, 40, I'm talking about 40 tall, 15.5, we're talking about 15.5 inches wide. And then the R26 is obviously for the 26-inch wheel, so that's gonna be 26 by 14 deep. I can't stick my tape measure through there, otherwise I would, but I'm not gonna scratch this wheel because it's actually Sean's wheel for the Power Stroke that we're building. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to tell you that or not, but I just did, so I guess secret's out. These are going on a Power Stroke with a big lift. So yeah, that's what you're looking at. Obviously with the 26-inch wheel, you're not really gonna be doing any sort of off-roading or anything like that. But when you do wrap it into 40, you do have a decent amount of sidewall. Overall, I guess if you look at the whole picture of it, there's not a lot of sidewall here. If you ran a 17 or something, you'd have insanely more sidewall than you do with this. So just taking a look though, for the guys that are curious, we're looking at about 5.5 inches from the edge of the rim of the wheel all the way to the top of the tread pattern there. And if you go to the seam on the edge, it's about 4.5 roughly. And that's kind of how that measures out. So you can see, although this is a 15.5 on a 14-inch wide wheel, there's not really a ton of sidewall bulge. One of the reasons why that is Fury, it seems like on their tires they have this more like rounded edge to these, so it doesn't look as balloony or as off-roady. It doesn't stick out quite as far as some of the other guys on the market. If you measure the actual traction path here, from tread block to tread block, it's gonna be closer to about 13 inches. But if you go obviously seam to seam, then that's where you get your 15.5 inch measurement. So not like, Fury's not shorting you tire, that's just how tires work. We can kind of give you a more accurate measurement, not necessarily accurate I guess, but a more realistic measurement with the tape measure so that you know what to expect if you're looking for a setup like this. So that's your matchup, 40 by 15.5 R26s on the 26 by 14 -81 ARKON Crown Series Victory. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, check out the website, customoffsets.com. Peace.